Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and today's topic is polymorphism in Java. So let's discuss about polymorphism. Polymorphism in Java is a concept which we can perform a single action in different ways. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words, that is poly and morphs. The word poly means many and morph means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. There are two types of polymorphism available in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We can perform a polymorphism in Java by method overloading and method overriding. Uh, if you override a static method in Java, in example, we compile a time polymorphism here. We will focus runtime polymorphism in Java. Let's discuss about runtime polymorphism in Java. Runtime polymorphism, or it's also called as dynamic method dispatch. It is a process in which call and overriding a method is resolved at a runtime rather than a compile time. The in this process, overriding method is called thought, that reference variable of a superclass. The determination of method to call is based on the object being referenced by the referred values. Let's first understand the upcasting before runtime polymorphism. Upcasting: if the reference variable of parent class refers to the object or child class, it is known as the upcasting. Let's Then example of Java runtime polymorphism. In the example, we are creating a two classes, bike or splendor. Splendor class extend the bike class and the overrides run method. We can calling them run method by the reference variable parent class. Since it refers to the subclass object and superclass method overriding in a parent class, that is method subclass method in invoked at runtime. Since method invocation in determination by the JVM not compiled at the known as runtime polymorphism. The next one is Java runtime polymorphism example. Bank. Consider a scenario where bank in a class. The polymorphism is method to get the rate of interest. However, the rate of interest may different according to bank. For example, SBI, ICICI, Axis Bank, etc. etc. Provide the 8.6%, 7.3% and 9.3% rate of interest. The the next one is Java runtime polymorphism with data members. Method is over